Hello and good day. We are from Group 3 and today we will be presenting our project entitled Application of Sustainability Approach and Construction Management in Real World Practice. This project was carried out under the supervision of Prof. Madya T.S. Dr. Sasitaran, anak lelaki Nagapan. This group consists of Ilan Tamil, anak lelaki Nalamutu, Lee Ziki, Muhammad Hakimi bin Hushairi, Nur Adibah binti Husaili, and Nur Adriana binti Hishamuddin.
Okay, hi and good day everyone. My name is Nurarina binti Shamuddin. My metric number is L230240 and today I will briefly introduce the importance of sustainable practice. It is important for environmental protection, durability and social responsibility. It helps to reduce negative impacts on the ecosystem while ensuring projects are efficient and long-lasting. This includes using eco-friendly materials, applying proper site assessment, and practicing effective waste management and recycling. Energy efficient methods also help to reduce energy use and protect the environment. Good project management ensures efficient use of resources and time, maintains quality and reduce risk. Overall, sustainable practice supports successful projects and sustainable outcome. Okay, so next, for this slide, it explains about sustainable construction techniques. Sustainable construction reduces environmental impact throughout the project life cycles. It includes using eco-friendly and local materials, reducing waste through recycling, and applying energy-efficient design such as proper insulation and natural lighting. It also involves using renewable energy, conserving water, protecting natural vegetation, and ensuring safe and healthy conditions for workers and nearby communities. Thank you. Okay, so for the methodology, I would like to briefly explain our site visit overview. The site visit was conducted at University Tun Hussein Al Malaysia, UTHM, specifically at Block B3, B5 and D1. The construction site is located within the university environment near the Pejabat Bendahari UTHM. The estimated travel time from home to the site was approximately 5 minutes by car, which made access to the site convenient. Before entering the site, official approval was required to ensure compliance with safety and administrative regulation. During the site, several ongoing construction activities were observed. These include the upgrading of existing facilities, the construction of a new building, and layout modification, such as the development of new office spaces for lecturers. Okay, so during the site visit, Encik Azmi guided us through the accessible aerial of the construction site. Throughout the tour, we asked questions related to the different stages of development, and this was clearly explained by Encik Azmi, which is the project manager for mechanical and electrical. The interview and observation were recorded using digital methods such as voice memos as well as manual methods including handwriting notes. In addition, we observed various stages of construction to gain a better understanding of how sustainable construction practices were applied in the project. Thank you.
UTHM is upgrading aging campus building Block B3, B5 and D1. This building has deteriorated due to age, leading to issues such as weakened structural components, outdated M&E system, and reduced building efficiency. The aim is to modernize facility to support Malaysia Madani and the university long-term development plan. For the problem statement, structure issue like crack, corrosion, concrete spalling and material degradation, outdated fire safety and building service that do not meet current standard. Inefficiency M&E system prone to breakdown, poor interior condition affect comfort and productivity. Building layout no longer support current teaching and learning needs. For the project information, the title is Upgrade of Dilapidated Building at Block B3, B5 and D1 Phases 1. The contractor is Imampuri Sendian Berhad. The consultant is Structural, ProTeam, M&E, BDMan, QS, Quanticos. The contract value is Rn 6.34 million and duration 60 weeks. The site for sanction is start at 3 March 2025 and target complete at 26 April 2026. The info from progress report number 6 August 2025.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I will present about analysis. So we can see the construction project as a waste management practice. From the first picture, there is a work for the collection and storage of the for reuse. And for second picture, we can see is a disposal of stone construction waste outside UTSM. And for third picture is housekeeping routine. And next, they also practice critical part method CPM. Uh, so we can see in the first picture, they use a Gantt chart. And for the second picture they use a S curve.
Hello, my name is Ilan Tamil and my metric card number is CF230029. So today I would like to talk about the comparison between real world practices and theoretics. Okay, so when it comes to the theoretic concepts, have been the data or the theories itself have been learned and in various practices that were observed in the industrial side, maybe on the previous projects or anything. Okay, so the theoretical concepts are not only to show the best way to implement the sustainability and manage the project successfully in a way of social, economical and environmental. Okay, sometimes the constraint of cost, time and availability of certain technologies when we are doing our projects comes into the picture as well. Okay, from this slide I've placed 6 major points which are very important for a construction project. So the first one is project planning and scheduling, second is cost management and sustainability, third is material selection and waste management, fourth is environmental management practices, fifth is stakeholder involvement and awareness, the final one is sustainability versus quality and time trade-off. Okay, so each and every point from here has a perspective of theoretical and real life practices. Okay, for example, if I'm going to talk about the project planning and scheduling, project planning can be done before the project even starts, which all the data we have collected from the clients and the contractor and everything. But the thing is, when it comes to real world practices, the scheduling can be different, can be delayed depending on the availability of the labor. Okay, and the weather condition and everything. Same goes to the cost management and sustainability. Okay, before the project starts, we will have the budget of the client, and we will plan everything to purchase as a resources and everything. Okay, but when it comes to real world practices, due to inflation and some other facts, the costs might vary in the future.
To conclude, the site visit to the Treasure Office Building and Block B3, B5 and D1 at UTHM provided valuable insights into the practical application of sustainable construction management. The project focused on upgrading and adapting existing buildings rather than constructing new ones, highlighting sustainability through effective management and planning. Reusing the existing structure helps reduce resource consumption and construction waste. However, the project is currently 17% behind the schedule due to the building's condition, complex rehabilitation works, and site coordination challenge. Despite this, systematic work management and continuous monitoring can ensure successful completion. Overall, this project demonstrates that sustainable construction extends beyond material selection to include effective management, planning flexibility, and stakeholder involvement. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.